Costco is going to close all of its photo centers. And I like that they used the skull for this particular image because that's my favorite emoji, but without the bones in the back, just the skull on its own. Anyway, they've been famous at those Costco. You ever been to a Costco before?
Yeah, I have.
Yeah, they've been famous for a couple of things. Well, for the food, the cheap food.
Yeah.
Like the hot dog that they refuse to raise the price, and the pizza and the big drink and things like this. The photo center, which is to the left whenever you walk in over there. Obviously, big everything they're also famous for. And the membership. Like, this is the things of Costco.
And the free...
Oh, and the samples. Oh, my God. How did I forget the samples? Willie Doo's favorite part, the free samples. Do you ever have a free sample at Costco? Oh, yeah. Okay. How did I forget? See, it goes to show you how long I've been inside of a place. I didn't go inside of Costco in years, it feels like, at this point. Anyway, this kind of makes sense. They get rid of the photo aspect. I mean, it's a lot fewer people that are printing photos. But there's a kind of a nostalgic feeling that I have about it because once upon a time, I actually think somebody from the baseball team, printed some team photos recently and then handed them out. It was a nice feeling.
Yeah.
Oh, we got a physical photo of the team. And I was like, man, I didn't hold a photo in so long.
Yeah.
To see a particular memory manifested in something you can hold, it is a special type of, but in the olden days, it was the only way to see a photo. So it was a lot more printing going on. Whereas now, of course, that's happening a lot less. They're not going to stop developing your photos. You just have to do it online, and then I guess you pick up in store or they ship it to you.
Okay.
So they're still going to be involved to a certain extent, but that giant piece of real estate, which used to have their photo development section, that's the part that they're removing, and they're removing it from all stores as of February 14th, 2021. So actually pretty soon, and I'm sure they'll find some use for that brand new real estate. They'll probably sell masks. That's probably they're gonna stick a bunch of masks in that area where the photo thing used to be. It does also mean that they won't shoot your passport photos anymore, because that's another thing. A lot of people would get the passport photo over there.
Yeah.
So they're out of that business as well.